Good day guys, I'm your teacher for today and I am Chuwin Encarnacion and I would like to show you how to calculate the round robin using the quantum 2. And I will show you how to calculate the SRTF, stand for shortest remaining time first. So see you guys. CPU scheduling, round robin. Yung process po natin is P1 until process 7. So, magsisimula na po tayo. Arrival time, CPU burst. Yung pinakamababa po sa arrival time, which is P4, 0. So, CPU burst is 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So, next naman po natin is sa P3, 2. Yung CPU burst niya is 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So, next naman po natin is P1. Arrival time is 3. CPU burst 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Then, next naman P2. Yung P2 natin is, arrival time is 4. CPU burst 3. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, 14 minus plus 1 is equal to 15. Next naman po natin is yung P6. Arrival time is 7. So, CPU burst niya is 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Next naman po natin is yung sa P5. P5 niya is 5. CPU burst 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 19 plus 3 is equal to 22. Next naman po natin P7, yung last. Then 8 po yung sa kanya. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So 22 plus 4 is equal to 28. Then turnaround time, time finish minus arrival time. So sa process 1 po natin until process 7, 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 22 minus 9 is equal to 13. 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. 28 minus 10 is equal to 18. So, average turnaround time. 11 plus 11 plus 10 plus 5 plus 13 plus 12 plus 18 divide 7. 7 po yan. Then, 80 po yung total niya. Then, 80 divide 7 is equal to 11.42. Then, yung next, waiting time, turnaround time minus CPU burst. Yung process 1 po natin until process 7. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 5 minus 7 is equal to 2. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. Average waiting time. Let's calculate na po. 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 divide 7 is equal to 42. 42 divide 7 is equal to 6. So, yan na po yung total niya. Shortest remaining time for preemptive. So, sa process 1 po tayo magsisimula. Burst time niya is 3. Process 1 will execute for 1 unit of time. So, magiging 1. So, ilalagay po natin yung process 2. Process 1 will execute for 1 unit of time po ulit. So, magiging 2 na po siya. So, process 3 naman. Process 1 will execute for 1 unit of time again. So, magiging 3. So, after nyan, X na po natin siya kasi tapos na po siya. So, process 2 will execute for 1 unit of time. So, magiging 4. Then, lalagay po natin sa yung process 2 will execute for 1 unit of time again. So, magiging 5. Then, process 2 will execute for 1 unit of time again. So, magiging 6. So, ilalagay na po natin is process 2 again. Process 2 will execute for 1 unit of time. So, magiging 7. So, ilalagay na po natin yung process 4. Then, process 2 will execute for 1 unit of time again. So, tapos na po siya nag-execute. So, i-X na po natin siya. Then, sa process 3 naman tayo. Process 5, then sa RDQ, process 3 will execute for 4 unit of time. So, magiging 12. So, X na po natin siya kasi tapos na po siya. Then, lalagay na po natin sa RDQ is process 6. So, sa Gantt chart, process 4 will execute for 4 times. So, magiging 16. So, X na po natin siya kasi natapos na po siya. Process 5 will execute for 4 times again. So, magiging 20. X na naman po natin siya. Process 7. So, process 6 will execute for 4 unit of time. So, magiging 24. X na po natin siya kasi tapos siya. Last, process 7. Process 7 will execute for 4 times. So, magiging 28. So, after po niyan, tapos na po siya. So, X na po natin siya. So, after po niyan, yan naman po natin sa completion time. So, which is 3 sa process 1, process 2 is 8, process 3 is 12, process 4 is 16, process 5 is 20, process 6, 24, and last, process 7, 28. After po nyan, sa next naman po tayo, turnaround time and waiting time. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. 28 minus 11 is equal to 17. Average turnaround time. 3 plus 17 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 divided 7 is equal to 85. 85 divided 7 is equal to 12.14. Waiting time. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2, 13 minus 11 is equal to 2, 15 minus 13 is equal to 2, 17 minus 15 is equal to 2, average waiting time. 0 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 divided 7 is equal to 22, 22 divided 7 is equal to 3.14.